The Monkey and Two Cats. Once upon a time, in a village, two cats lived together. One day, they found a piece of bread and began to argue over it. First cat, this bread is mine because I saw it first. Second cat, no, it's mine because I picked it up. As their quarrel escalated, a clever monkey happened to pass by. Monkey, why are you both fighting? The cats explained the situation. Monkey, let me help. I'll divide the bread equally between you. The monkey split the bread into two pieces, but intentionally made one piece larger than the other. Monkey, oh no! These pieces aren't equal. He took a bite from the larger piece. Monkey, now this piece is smaller. He then took a bite from the other piece. This continued until he had eaten the entire bread. First cat, regretfully, we should have shared the bread ourselves. Second cat, our fighting led to this. Moral, it's better to resolve disputes among yourselves, otherwise, others might take advantage.
Thank you for watching. If you found the story interesting, please do like the video and subscribe to our channel to become a part of our YouTube family.